What's the meaning of blinder? Blinder. Blinder.
Blinder. Blinder. The term blinder can have different meanings depending on the context. In horse racing, a blinder is a piece of equipment that covers the sides of a racehorse's eyes to help it focus on the track ahead. In a figurative sense, a blinder can refer to something that prevents someone from seeing or considering certain factors or opinions, often leading to a narrow or biased perspective. For example, if someone is wearing blinders when it comes to politics, they may only consider one side without objectively examining all viewpoints. In this sense, blinder implies a limited and possibly skewed understanding of a situation or topic.